Go back. Go back, Dad. This is our engine. Oh, this is, we found in this shed. They about 60, 100 years old. Very old. Got so much grease on it. I just got a cobweb on my hand. That's right. And this is where we start power working. It's our old lorry engine. As you see, it looks old as dirt. Old stuff on it. Just old as dirt. Old, rusting away. Sitting in the shed. It's where we generate our power and get all going.
It's old, all right.
It's old.
Got a bird's nest up there.
Oh, yeah, it's bird's nests there. It's all greasy.
There you go, look, it's a Ford.
Oh, yeah, Ford. It's a Ford 908. I think it is a 908. Cobwebs, of course, it's so old. No, it's stopping me. Am I? If you come over here, this is where the stuff heats up over here. Gets hot over here. It's a lorry's engine, not our lorry. It must be big sturdy Adidas lorry.
Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's an old generator, I think.
It's an old generator, like Tony said. Found in this old place at Bird's Farm. That's our house. Hydronics, I don't know what they're about, we're not going to run it up. Just keeping everything as it is. This big radiator here at the front, as you see. We have cars parked, as you see. And the hydronics, they're good. Top is good. It's overgrown. And now this thing looks old as dirt. As you see, blackberries grown up there.
Blackberries.
Yeah, in case I get a little peckish.
And the sun coming in through the roof.
Yes, because I don't like it when this thing rusts. I hope somebody will be able to fix it or
It's got oil.
Huh?
It's got oil.
Dad, did you film you opening up the oil? As you see, the oil's good. It looks old, but it's been here. It's been here when we've even moved here.
It's been here 21 years. That's how long I've lived here, and I've never it's never started up since I've been here.
It's been started up 1,000 years ago. Tom went here, I went here. Nobody. It's just from a long time ago. Me and Tom went here. As you see. Oh yeah, this side looks interesting. I see a big generator here. Oil's good. Oh, something here. It's wobbly. It looks like something for exercises. But I'm fit as a lemon. This generator up here, that there.
Should we put it on eBay for sale?
Oh, Tom, no one likes buying it.
Mm.
This thing's just old as dirt.
Someone might buy it.
And clean it up because we live